Hello friends, we are here in Lower Portland. We're going around and there's beautiful places here pala. Very near to our place. Yeah, there's babe. See, look, there's umbrella there.
Where?
There.
It's private property. Can you see the sign?
Those are the.
Can you see the sign on the ground? It says private
Yeah,
property.
maybe. Yeah, but that's where the
yeah.
the talking. Hearing. See, that's an apple tree. There's a lot of fruits.
Right.
Oh, there's one there at the other side. It's coming. It's coming here, babe.
Huh?
It's coming here. See here.
That's good.
I think I remember that.
Yeah, I think we came here too.
See, look at this apple tree. There's a lot of fruits. It's unfortunate. See, that's even the lemon tree.
Oh, they're nice.
Yeah, but I think they're not cheap, babe. No juice yet.
They're limes, aren't they?
Yeah, don't. But I think this is it's a peach.
Could be called crab apple.
This one.
Apple.
See. Kaso lang, they're not cheap,
They're not ready?
They're not cheap ready. Still young. Oh, there's one crossing down there.
Huh?
Crossing down there. There's a waiting shed here. Oh. Okay. Hawkesbury Lower Portland crossing Cold River approach. Okay, Lower Portland. It's beautiful. Okay. There. That's the car.
That's a good berry then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're useless,
Because there's no much juice.
Okay, well you can plant them if there's no much.
Oh, how could you plant that?
Plant the seeds.
You can. That's not even